morning, friends, and welcome back to first grade. I apologize that you did not get a video yesterday. I was at the central office helping Mr. Honeyman with your next contingency packet, and I actually will be there again today. So I apologize. I will not be able to do a Zoom with you guys. Hopefully, we get all of the packets done today, and we can do our Zoom for tomorrow, which would be Thursday the 9th. And then on Friday, we don't have school because that will be our first day of spring break, and you'll have off for a whole week, and then you'll be getting another contingency packet in the mail to complete, and I will help you with that if you need help. So today is April 8th, 2020, and today is Wednesday. So on Wednesdays, we have computer class. Please make sure that you're doing any of the work that Mrs. Drexel gave for you guys to complete in your packets. And also, a great resource for going online would be logging on to iReady. So hopefully you guys are getting able to do that. You should be going on for about 20 minutes a day in either reading or math. It's definitely a good resource for you guys to use while you're learning at home. If anyone needs help with logging on or getting on to iReady, please just let me know, and I can definitely help you with that. So in your contingency packet today is day 18, and for foundations, you're going to mark up some words. You're going to read words with blends, and then you're going to mark up the blends. So blends are when two consonants come together next to a vowel. So like if you see a CL or a BR, okay, those are what we call blends. Okay, and they come next to a vowel. So definitely mark those up, and that'll be good practice for you guys. So for your drill sounds today, we're just going to go over some vowel teams. We're going to do these first two rows. And remember, whenever you're reading, think of these sounds that you've learned, and these can help you with some tricky words. So the first one is I bait A Y play E jeep E eat key E. Awesome job, friends, and I miss doing that with you in the classroom so much. So for your reading today, you're going to be filling out the main idea and details of the story The Rainbow Fish. There's a link here. You can listen to it on YouTube. This is also a story that Mrs. Crawford read to us in the beginning of the school year, but you guys might not remember it. So I would definitely suggest going on and giving it a listen and then filling out the main idea of the story and the surrounding details that the story was about. So for your writing prompt today, what does a thunderstorm sound like? How does it make you feel? So this is actually a good writing prompt because I think it's supposed to storm today. So you can tell me what that sounds like and how it makes you feel when there's a thunderstorm outside. For your math lesson today, you're going to do topic 10, lesson 7. This was one of the challenging lessons that we did in first grade right before we left for our remote learning. This is two-digit addition, and this is a great lesson that you guys need practice with because you will be doing this in second grade too. So this definitely is something that you want to pay attention to. So for this lesson, you're going to see numbers in tens and ones, and you're going to draw a model to put the two numbers together. Okay, so just like Miss Hodges tells you in the classroom, you stack the numbers and then you solve. So the first number is 35. So I'm just going to go over here to the side and I'm going to draw 3 tens and 5 ones. Okay, and then I'm adding to 35, I'm going to add 15. So I have 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay, and this is where it gets a little tricky because this is when you need to decide if you need to make another 10. So you need to count up your ones and see if there are enough to make another group of 10. Now, I don't even need to count because I know my doubles facts, and I know that I drew 5 and 5. Okay, and I know 5 plus 5 definitely equals 10. So I'm just going to go ahead and circle this whole group here, and I'm going to also circle yes because I do need to make a 10. Okay, now when I go to count how many I have in all, I'm not going to forget that this that I circled is a new group of 10. So I started with 1, 2, 3, 4 tens, but now I need to add another one. So I have 5 tens. Okay, how many ones do I have? Let me see. Are there any outside of this circle? No, there isn't. So that's 0. So my sum is 50. Okay, and you're going to do that for the rest of these problems here. Okay, this is just extra practice for you guys. Okay, let me know if you have any trouble with that. For science, you're going to be reading about fall and winter, and you're going to be writing a sentence about fall and then a sentence about winter, and that pretty much wraps up the science for today. Again, like I said, I'm hoping to have a Zoom tomorrow before we leave for break, just so we can check in with one another and all of that. But it's just depending on if we get those packets done at central office or not, because if I'm at central, then I cannot Zoom with you guys. But I hope you have a great day. Even though I will be working at central office, I will still have my phone on me. So if you guys have any questions or if you need my help, please just send me a dojo message and I will get right back to you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.